Hey there, aerial adventurers! If you are passionate about capturing breathtaking footage from the skies, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll reveal the best camera drones for 2023 that promise to take your aerial photography and videography to new heights. If you want to know more about these products, head forward to the description for the latest prices and information. Pro, the DJI Mavic. 3 Pro's big 4/3 format sensor with a Hasselblad color profile delivers class-leading footage and stills straight out of the camera. All-around obstacle sensors allow the drone to easily bypass obstructions, an integrated GPS keeps it steady, and 35-minute flying times make for safer flights. The Mavic 3 Pro is ideal for cinematographers, indie filmmakers, vloggers, and other creative professionals. It's heavy enough to require FAA registration, and you need an operator's license to use it for paid projects, but it's still easy to bring along for location work. The original 2-lens Mavic 3 wowed us with its primary Hasselblad camera, but its secondary 7x zoom shooter was a letdown for creative work. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. 3 Classic is for professionals. The most notable features is its 4/3 CMOS sensors produced by Hasselblad. They make quality cameras, from analog to digital ones, and to find a camera system like this in a drone is just what any professional is looking for. 1K at 50 FPS, a spectacular resolutions for a drone. If you need faster frame rates, it can also shoot in 4K at 120 FPS. If you want to take a photo, you get a 20 MP image. This is less than the top options, but remember, the Mavic 3 Classic has bigger sensor, so this ensures a higher dynamic ranges and a better image. The extended flight time of 46 minutes is a welcome feature for most, allowing you to fly for longer on single battery packs. This extended reach and ranges may be your sole reasons for buying the Mavic 3 Classic. And with features like this, you will be satisfied. The EVO Nano Plus maintains some of the most impressive features, while enjoying a reduced price tag. Equipped with a 50 MP 1.1, 28 inches CMOS sensor, this drone is more than capable of creating detail-rich photographs and video footage during any time of day or night. Built-in photographic features like defog mode, portrait blur, exposure bracketing, and HDR simplify the aerial photography process without sacrificing creativity. But this model lets you film in 4K at up to 30 FPS while staying on budget. When you're focused on capturing detail-rich footage from above, it's important to keep track of how each take looks. While most other drones in this class offer a maximum of 1080p live view footage, the maximum flight time is slightly shorter than some DJI drones, but the comprehensive viewing capabilities help you make the most of your flight time. Bwine F7. The Bwine F7 GPS drone is a top-notch drone designed for adults and kids alike. It features a high-resolution 4K camera with night vision capabilities, allowing you to capture stunning aerial footage even in low-light conditions. The 3-axis gimbal ensures stable and smooth video recordings. With an impressive 2-mile long-range transmission, you can easily explore vast distances. The drone boasts an exceptional 75-minute flight time, providing extended flight sessions. Thanks to the inclusion of 3 batteries, you can enjoy even more uninterrupted fun. The auto-return feature guarantees a safe return to the takeoff point if the drone loses signal or encounters low battery levels. Additionally, the Follow Me mode allows the drone to track and film your movements, while Fly Around enables seamless orbiting shots. For beginners, the beginner mode ensures a user-friendly and smooth learning experience. With the Bwine F7, you can capture breathtaking aerial footage effortlessly. Ruko U11S. This sleek and compact drone is designed with portability in mind, making it simple to carry on your outdoor adventures. Its foldable design fits perfectly into your backpack, allowing you to capture breathtaking aerial shots on the go. But don't let its size fool you. This drone packs a powerful punch with its impressive 4K camera and advanced GPS technology. One of the standout features of the Ruko U11S is its 4K camera, which captures stunningly sharp and detailed footage. Whether you're shooting landscapes, action scenes, or recording memorable moments, this drone delivers exceptional image quality. Plus, the FPV, first-person view feature, lets you experience real-time flight through your smartphone, immersing you in the action like never before. EXO X7. Ranger Plus comes in a stylish gray shoulder bag that has a premium feel. The bag features slots for all the accessories and is not too big. We wish DJI would include their drone bags in all the standard versions instead of the more expensive Fly More Combo kit. It comes in 2 colors, jet black or red, and personally prefer the black, but apparently the red is the more popular version. However, it does weigh over 250 grams, which means you will be required to register it with the FAA. The drone is equipped with a memory card slot, which can accommodate a maximum capacity of 32 GB. While a memory card is not included, it is recommended to purchase one, particularly if you plan to record a substantial amount of HD videos. Is a reliable choice for those wanting to venture into the world of drones without wanting to break the bank. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.